What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my kitchen. This is like the second or the third video we're filming in my kitchen. So you know what that means? That means we're doing a product review. Today's product is, don't look in my fridge, the infamous Tc1 Proteins and Greens and Probiotic. So these are two different products. So I'm gonna talk about one first. We're gonna go with the Tc1 Greens and Protein first. But before we move forward, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It's free. Okay, here we are. Tc1 Proteins and Greens. So basically this is vegan protein. Not only is it protein, but it has a bunch of vitamins and greens in it. So you're getting so many nutrients and benefits when you're drinking this. I wish I could read all of these vitamins to you, but you would probably leave this video. So I'm not gonna read it to you. I'm just gonna show you super quick. Bam, bam, bam. Probably every vitamin under the sun. And not only vitamins, but greens. So the green blend starts from here and goes all the way down. A bunch of vegetables. The reason why I love this is because most days I don't eat enough vegetables. So I like to incorporate this on the days where I don't eat enough greens. I like to have this in a few different ways. I'll have it in the morning before a workout if I'm doing like legs or something where I need some fuel and energy, or I'll do post-workout. It says it's a meal replacement. I mean, if you make it with almond milk in a shaker with ice and some fruit and some other stuff, it might keep you fuller as a meal replacement, more like a snack. So I'll have this and I'll usually be good for like 1 to 2 hours, but that's just me. I usually eat every 3 hours. I have a fast metabolism. I'm always hungry. What else? There are probiotics in this as well. There's 25 billion probiotics. Because there's probiotics, you have to refrigerate it after you open it. For 2 scoops, 80 calories, no fat, no sugar, no carbs, 20 grams of protein. Does it taste good? It doesn't taste like a strawberry milkshake, but it is good. It's not super chalky, but you can tell it is vegan. But like I said, I enjoy it. I enjoy drinking it. I know what it's bringing to my body. If it was bad, I wouldn't keep drinking it. It doesn't taste like a vanilla milkshake, but let me tell you, it does taste good and it is good for you. This is what it looks like. It's literally green and there's a scooper. So right now on the website, this is $47.95. You use my code Jessica, you save more money. I have to say there's also 15 servings per container. I've been using their products for almost 2 years and really love everything I use, especially the sweat gel and the band. I did a review on my channel. It says to mix it with 10 to 12 fluid ounces of water. That's typically what I do. Would I buy this again? Yes, I would buy this again. Next up, we have the probiotic. There's no protein in this, there's no fat. 17 calories per scoop, which is like nothing. 4 grams of carbs. Oh, and 3 grams of fiber. So yes, this is keto friendly. This has 100 billion, I feel like I sound like mini-me, billion probiotics in it versus the protein has 25 billion. So sometimes I mix them together if I really want everything to leave my system, if you know what I mean. So this is what it looks like. I actually have to place another order because I'm almost done. It smells like vanilla, just like the other one. I forgot to tell you, it smells like vanilla. Gluten-free, soy-free, non-GMO. I put this in every shake I have. Because it has the flavor of vanilla, you barely taste it. Because personally, I don't like taking those big probiotic pills. Sometimes I still feel it in my throat. Sometimes I feel like it just doesn't digest or I get a weird aftertaste. And makes your smoothie a little more creamier. So there's no milk in it for it to make it creamier, but just gives it that texture. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, when you add any type of powder, this is like cooking 101. If you add any type of powder into a dish, it gives it more texture. No, I'm not a chef. This is literally a staple. Gut health is so important. And a lot of people have stomach issues these days. That's just like, I feel like everyone keeps telling me they have stomach issues. I'm like, girl, do you take probiotics? It's affordable too. By the way, I forgot to put this in the beginning of the video. This video is not sponsored, but I do get commission if you use my code. I'm gonna list the link in the bio. My code, Jessica, it's just Jessica. You save money. There are certain products from Tc1 that I have not tried yet. Therefore, I have not talked about yet. And if I don't believe or if I don't enjoy their a product in general, I'm not gonna talk about it. Or I will be honest with you. I don't know why I'm talking so much. I had a cappuccino from Bistro Cafe. If y'all in Miami, you need to check out Bistro Cafe. I'm gonna insert a picture. I had a mocha cappuccino. It's not the healthiest, but I had it with oat milk and I am very energetic. So So $41.95. Probiotics are a health promoting bacteria that is found in food and in the supplement form. It's not found in all food, it's found in certain foods. So that's why a lot of people put it in supplements so they can make sure that they add it to their diet. If you were to pick one, I would 10 out of 10 recommend. Actually, if you need protein and you only could afford one right now, I would recommend this because it has protein, greens, vitamins, and probiotics. But if you have your own protein and you're just looking for something else to add into your routine, 10 out of 10 recommend this. This is my favorite, one of my favorite products ever. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I spoke really, really fast, but that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment below any questions if I forgot to mention, I will answer, and subscribe. Come back to my channel, I would love to have you. And yeah, that is it. Hope you guys all have a blessed, powerful day. I'll see you in my next video.